BiotiQuest. I'm here today to talk to you about some other fermented beverages. One that I like particularly is something called Beet Kvass. This is something I learned about from Nourishing Traditions, Sally Fallon's cookbook, which has a lot of recipes for traditional foods. Beet Kvass is a Russian fermented drink is what it's traditionally known as. And typically what you will do, my recipe for Beet Kvass is, I will take 2 beets. I like the red ones, but you could use any color beet. Organic preferred, because the non-organic beets are going to be irradiated, so they may not have living bacteria on them. So you want to get organic beets because they haven't been irradiated. Just rinse them off, cut them up into, I cut them up into pieces about like that. Drop them in the bottom of your quart jar. You're going to add a tablespoon of sea salt and a 1/4 cup of whey. So I like to use the whey that I've drained off of my sugar shift cultured milk or cultured dairy. But you could just use a commercial dairy product. And if you don't know what whey is, it's that yellow liquid that after you've taken a scoop out of the yogurt, you'll often see kind of sitting in the scoop part of the yogurt. So you want to take a 1/4 cup of whey and put that in with your beets and your sea salt. And then you will want to fill it up to the top, just above, just below the rim, and put the top on, and you'll leave that out on your kitchen countertop for 2 to 3 days, and you'll start to see a little fizziness in there. And then I put it in the refrigerator. And then what you can do, let's see if I can get it open. Ooh, I can. Okay. Might have to get some help on that. Here we go. Ooh. So then what I will do is have a shot of this luscious, juicy red fermented goodness. Tangy and fantastic and great for your health.